Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you guys cricket? Um, Welcome back to my channel, guys. I am finally back with my review. If you read the title, you know what this is about. We're about to roast this palette. I'm kidding. I don't do that. Welcome back to another video here up on my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick little review of the Anastasia AMREZY palette, which is this one right here. Very glittery looking one. This one. It looks like this on the inside. Today's video, I wanted to come on here real quick, talk to you guys a little bit about this palette, what I think of it, and if you should go get it. Because why not? I don't think a lot of people will have actually reviewed this palette. I think I've only seen like a couple people, because this palette happened when it was like, what was it, like summer or something of last year, and Anastasia was like palette on top of palette on top of palette on top of fucking a whole other brand, and collaboration here, collaboration that, you know. And it got very busy for a moment, and it didn't shine as much as I think it should have, because it's a very, very pretty palette, you know. It's one of those that if you don't own any Anastasia, I feel like you will love this, because it has all the simple shades that people would need. If you checked my last video, or if this is the first video you're watching, I'll link up here my previous video where I did a look using the palette. And so if you guys want to see that, click on the eye somewhere here. I put it somewhere here. I think it's here. Go to the eye up here and check it out. If you thought that it was just a plain palette with just some shimmery shades and nothing good to offer, let me change your mind about that, because it's quite versatile. I wanted to come on here and tell you guys what I think of the shades, what I think of the names, what I think of the whole thing. If you're new here and you're lurking, please stay. I'd love to have you. Please don't go. Subscribe to my channel. For whatever reason you're here, you might like what I do, you might like reviews, or you might like my makeup. So I do all of that. I do reviews and I do makeup. Alright, let's get into this review. I'm not going to be doing a look today. Today is just me talking. This is a very expensive palette. It is Anastasia. This little bad boy retails for $49 on Ulta. So close to $50 on Anastasia's website and on Ulta. So that's a pretty little penny for a palette. To be honest, I don't know who AMREZY is, or AMREZY. I'm not entirely sure who she is, and I apologize. I do know she loves pink. We can tell. Did you guys see the campaign pictures? Ooh. She loves pink. I thought that it was gonna be all full of pinks, and I was like, oh, then that one palette I won't buy. But turns out it's not so bad. This is what it looks like on the inside. I think it's got 3 different, I heard that they were like the new glitter shades from Anastasia, because it's a new formula that they released. It's this one and this one. They're supposed to be the new glitter shades. I've tested and I've tried some of Anastasia's shadows prior to owning this, but I don't buy much from them. I stopped buying palettes a while ago due to me having an influx of palettes. I know what they feel like. I know Anastasia's quality is like chef's kiss, but when I tried these, I was like, ooh. They're a little bit powdery, well, not powdery, they're a little bit soft, so there will be kickback in the pan when you dab your little brush But other than that, it's pretty normal, pretty okay. The black is very nice, which is BK. This one right here, I love blacks. If you haven't noticed, and I think one of my favorite shades is it's Liddy, which is this one right here, which you wouldn't think that I would, you know, like you wouldn't think I would like. If they make a shade, let me just say this, if they make a black shade like Liddy, oh, I'm gonna die for it. I'm gonna buy all the palettes. Okay, let me just, I'm gonna buy at least one palette, maybe two, just for the shade. I'm very surprised, as you can tell, by this palette. She's got some pretty cute little names, like whimsical names, because she's like whimsical and like from New York or something, or is she from New Jersey? I don't want to butcher that. Okay, so she was born in Montenegro and raised in the U.S. after living in Bosnia. She's a very ooh, okay, so she's been everywhere. Cool. So she was a makeup artist, like a Mac makeup artist, and that's where she started her career. Now she's an Instagram celebrity and she's huge. She's very beautiful. She's also very young, like younger than me. And I'm not telling you how old I am, but she's younger than me. I thought the whole campaign was a little whimsical and a little bit, you know, catering to that age group. So I didn't think I was gonna like it. I didn't think I was gonna like this because of it. It's the same with like the Kylie Jenner stuff. All her things that she comes out with, they're like for a different demographic. It's definitely not targeting me. There's some shades in here that I still haven't used. I haven't used Leo or Dragon, and AMREZY, which if you look at it, you probably know why, because I'm sorry to say it, but I don't like pink. That's one shade that I probably won't ever use, but it's definitely gorgeous. They blend out super good, like chef's kiss. It's a beautiful palette. I don't know why I thought that I was gonna hate it. So if you have the extra coin, go ahead and treat yourself with one of these palettes. I understand that there's a lot of you that probably own a lot of these shades, but for me, I don't own most of these shades. It's worth the money, and now I have a bright pink glittery palette sitting in my drawers. I always reach for it. So it might be, you know what? It might be the glittery shades. It might be just the glittery shades, because I haven't seen anything like that, you know. And I don't know if this glitter is what's it called, bio glitter. I don't know if it is, but I like it. If you like glittery shades, you're probably gonna like this too. And if you're a little makeup enthusiast, you might enjoy working with this palette like I have been. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it was, like, you know, worth the watch. If you were looking for a signal or a sign or anything to buy a palette, this is it. Also, if you're looking for a sign I'm gonna fucking hate this when I'm editing, but whatever. If you're looking for a sign to shave your eyebrows off, hi, this is it. Yeah, that is it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, that really helps me, please. If you want to know more about me and what I do and how I do things, go down below and subscribe to my channel. Also, check all my links. I think that's it. Drink your water, and I'll see you guys in the next one.